Welcome back to Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. My name is Emily, and in this video we're going to take a closer look at the Polar Party stamp and coordinating die set from Trinity Stamps' latest release called Sparkling Season. So here is this beautiful 4x4 stamp set, as well as the coordinating dies that also cuts out all of the sentiments in this set. I just love that. So I used my Mini Misty and stamped out this set using some black ink, so you can see how they all look all stamped out and ready to party. And off camera I went ahead and colored them in, and I just wanted to share a quick card that I created with these cute images. You can see how the die look when you cut them all out, and of course I couldn't leave it as is. I needed some rainbow shine on my happy holiday sentiment there. And for my background I created a couple of stars. So I hope you liked this video and got to see how this stamp set could look on top of a card base, and how large it is. It's really a great centerpiece for your card project if you like to create fast cards. So here is how it looks all stamped out, the stamp set as well as a project that I created. I will now leave you with some examples from the design team, and of course the links to this product are listed down below. And until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!